Good morning, everybody. Period 4. How are you? Just a short video, not as long as yesterday. But I want to go over your posted question yesterday. The posted question, what pH is a weak base, right? Weak bases. So let's go over what we mean by bases. So let's go back to our pH scale. All right, to our there we go, pH scale. There's our pH scale. Okay, so we know 1 through 14. We know that acids are where? Where are the acids? They're below 7. Uh, very strong acids are 1 and 2. Weaker acids are 5 and 6. Strong bases are 13, 14. Weak bases are right about here. Remember, what is a strong acid? When the production or concentration of hydronium acid is way up. What is a strong base? When the concentration of hydroxide ions are way up. Okay, so let's talk about that. Okay. We talked about neutralization reaction already. We talked about this. So when a strong acid dissolves in water, the molecules totally ionize completely. Totally dissolve, totally ionize. And that's where we get a pH of 1 or 2. Strong base dissolves in water. They dissociate completely in water. Remember, strong bases are OH, hydroxide ions. They totally, completely, strong bases totally, completely dissociate in water. Strong acids completely ionize, all right? So what do weak acids and bases do? Which has a higher pH? A weak acid or a strong acid? Think about what has a higher pH, a weak acid or a strong acid? Well, a higher pH, obviously, okay, higher pH is a weak acid. These are weak acids. They have a higher pH than a strong acid. What has a higher pH? A strong base as opposed to a weak base. These are your weak bases, okay? All right, so the answer is what, on your posted question, what is a weak base? The answer should have been, oh, let's go back to that. Answer should have been 8. That's a weak base. This is strong base, weak base. Strong acid, weak acid. Okay? All right, so just a couple other things that we want to talk about. Let's see, we talked about strong, weak acids, buffers. Remember what a buffer is? A solution that is resistant to large changes of pH. All right, a buffer is prepared by mixing a weak acid and a salt and a weak base. Okay, we talked about that yesterday. Electrolytes are substances that totally ionizes or dissociates in water, and you can conduct an electric current in it. All right, and that's it. So for today, remember your review sheets. Your review sheets are due Thursday, tomorrow, okay? They're due tomorrow. I'd like you to take a picture of the review sheet, worksheet that I sent you, not the review sheet, like I gave you both review sheets, right? So just send me both review sheets. Send me a picture of them, okay? And then once I get pictures of them that you've completed them, we will review it. All right. Reminder, your test is not Friday, it is Monday. Test is Monday. Okay. Your review sheets are due tomorrow. Take pictures of them and then send it to me in an email or whichever is best. Okay. All right. I shall see you tomorrow.